Welcome to my tutorial. This is Shishenta. So for today's video, ituturo ko naman sa inyo how to order PSA birth certificate online. So eto si Miss Erica, ang sabi niya dito, Mi, wala ka bang tutorial kung paano umorder through online tapos ipa-deliver sa'yo? Punta kayo ng Google, then isearch nyo ang PSA birth certificates online. Click it. PSA birth certificate online application and delivery. Basahin nyo na lang itong advisories for requesting from overseas, OFW, or living abroad. Dito makikita ang price ng pick-up or door-to-door. Let's begin. Click order now. You can choose certificate type here. Birth certificate, marriage certificate, Senomar, death certificate, o Senodet. Sa ngayon, kukuha tayo ng birth certificate. Click I accept the terms and condition of user agreement and privacy policy. Click also this I consent to the processing of my personal data in accordance with the Data Privacy Act of 2012. Basahin nyo ang attention to all applicants. Then, click nyo na itong continue. Dito naman, mamimili kayo requesting for your own certificate of live birth or for someone else. For now, my own birth certificate. Click continue. Please read and continue. And then, mag-fill up na tayo. Your sex, your civil status, first name, your middle name, and your last name. Ilalagay nyo din yung birth date nyo. Pag nalagay nyo na, continue. Please read before fill up. Dito naman yung father's name. If there's no father's name on your birth certificate, check that box. Next, fill up your mother's maiden name. Then, continue. Dito naman yung birthplace. Fill upan nyo lang din. Make sure na correct lahat. Then, continue. Dito naman, the purpose of your request. Kung gagamitin mo ba sa paggawa ng passport or travel, school requirements, local employment, foreign employment, marriage, claims, benefits, loans, or late registration. Gagamitin ko ito sa school. Click school requirement. Then, continue. Then, dito na tayo sa delivery address and contact information. Select a delivery option. Pwede nyo piliin ang nationwide door-to-door or pick-up. Pwede rin international kung nasa abroad kayo. Dito naman yung recipient, house number, and street name. Example, Purok 3. Subdivision or building name, ilagay nyo lang yung landmark nyo. Make sure na correct lahat ang address na nilagay nyo. Delivery municipality, barangay, and zip code. And also your number, and then email address. Continue. Ito naman, check nyo or i-double check kung tama lahat ng information na na-fill up nyo. Dito naman, pwede nyo ma-adjust kung ilang copies ang kailangan nyo. Dito, choose nyo lang kung sino yung magre-receive, ikaw ba or iba. Kung ibang tao yung magre-receive, kailangan may authorization letter at merong ID. I-confirm nyo lang, then continue. Dito naman, pipili kayo ng payment option. Pwedeng credit card, Paymaya, or GCash. Pwede rin sa 7-Eleven, Palawan Pawn Shop, Banknet, or Dragon Pay. Kung gusto nyo mapanood kung paano magbayad, nasa kabila kong video. Through GCash. Thank you for watching. So kung may gusto pa kayong malaman or tutorial, mag-comment lang kayo down below. Thank you!